You've launched an AI assistant integrating your industrial operation. What are some of the biggest misconceptions about AI-driven insights in the decision-making tool?
That's an interesting question in that I think whenever we're talking about AI, regardless of the type, and in this context you've mentioned specifically sort of our industrial AI assistant, immediately it conjures up in a lot of people's minds images of replacing humans or maybe even a bit of a cybersecurity threat. Mm-hmm. So let's put a couple of those things to rest early on here. Really, with our industrial AI assistant, it's viewed as a tool to help gather information quicker. So everybody's somewhat familiar with ChatGPT, large language model. This is AVEVA's large language model that is designed specifically for industrial applications. And you can imagine how much time any individual wastes searching for data so they can put together a report, searching for data for the sake of sustainability initiatives, searching for data even just around some kind of a maintenance analysis, root cause analysis, those kinds of things. Well, we can turn that kind of search for data from a 2-day effort, a week-long effort that can only happen once in a month because that's all the time that we have. We can turn that into something that takes 5 minutes. Type in a question, get a response, refine that question to get an even more detailed response, search through a manual, and all the time doing it only within the confines of your own corporate network. We're not going out and scouring the internet to try to find information about your plants and the equipment you have in your plants. This large language model is only focused on your specific data, pointed at whatever databases where you store that information,